Happy 4th, aka fireworks day. We outie. We are going to get something to eat.
Oh, it's hot as mud.
They turn it off?
Turn it off.
The music.
Honestly, ain't nobody turn this AC on, man.
I thought these were like.
Oh, it's hot, man. I'm telling you.
Hi guys. I get my seatbelt.
Crazy, Nani. What's up, guys? Well, it's been a long time since y'all seen me. You know, I just been working and chilling, cooling. Yeah, look at all that stuff she got in the back of her car, man. That's crazy.
Why?
She stayed with stuff in the back of her car.
Put it back here.
But yeah, we about to head out, get a bite to eat. Then gonna see some fireworks. I should have bought some this year and let some off where we live. Have the whole neighborhood jumping. But you know. Nani, you got it?
I'm here, help.
I got you. Here.
Alright, I'm in the car.
Alright, we in the
Seatbelt
car.
on. I didn't put my ring on today because last time I put it on it was all tight.
You ain't put your ring on.
My ring is gone. I was just
Try me for real.
Babe, whatever.
No matter. How about selling?
I'm gonna get another one. She got a little ring. We gotta get my baby a ring. She need a size 3 though, and I think that the smallest I've ever seen was a 4.
What?
I want my gift.
I do.
We're going to get some barbecue.
You just doing like, act like you ain't hear me.
Babe, I heard you.
Nah, like seriously.
We want
I got
a
one
lot
order.
right now. We want a lot right now. What, Tootie?
We've been nice to them while we gave them my toys. Back in the Nana to toys. They were still together.
So she's talking about my mom. No ma'am.
Don't tell me
No ma'am.
Oh,
I got like 3%. You try to take the charger y'all from me. But what she was talking about with my mom came up here to play with her, bought some toys for her. They shared and played together, is what she's saying. But yeah, we're going to get some barbecue. I want like a good burger, a hot dog, some baked beans, potato salad.
you want that cookout food.
I do.
If that was the case, I could have got on the grill and threw some on.
Right. Sure, you're right, right.
Something.
So, babe, when do you want to tell them the baby's name?
Right now.
No.
Huh?
No.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Maybe we can like reveal a letter each video.
A letter.
Yeah. Like spell out his name. Or do it like scramble. So then they have to like figure it out. Would that be fun, y'all? What you think, babe?
They like, girl, you know you're supposed to have money.
The letter for...
Oh,
y'all hear him? He said they like, girl, you don't even post enough for that. But don't do that, babe, because I've been going through it. Last month was hard. Shoot. Don't do that. Tell them don't do that, y'all. Y'all, they understand. They all understood. But I'm vlogging now, so clearly I intend on posting more, right? And I'm putting a video up tonight, actually. So, boo. But yeah. And I've been, since I've been going to the doctor every single week, I was gonna do like weekly vlogs or weekly uploads. So what's the letter for this week? And it's scrambled.
You starting now?
Yeah, we can start now.
Just start.
Hold on. Yeah, we can start now because that'll put us at 30 weeks, and that's when I would, that's when I was gonna share anyway.
So you want to just throw a letter out there?
Yeah, what letter? What letter you put around here today?
B.
D. All right. right, the letter is D for this week. The letter is D.
And this is scrambled, right? So it's
yeah, it's scrambled.
Order.
It's scrambled.
Got your wallet?
I don't.
You can't even get on base.
Huh?
You can't even get on base.
For real?
No.
Right.
They don't let you get on base. Wasn't no type
You should have reminded me. We gotta go back home.
So you too old to be coming out the house.
Babe, that was the exit anyway. What are you doing?
Exit to what?
Washington Street?
Saucies.
Yeah.
No, it's not saucy.
Y'all, we gonna call you back. I mean, we'll call you back because we're stripping. I left my wallet. I can't get on base.
Like leaving the house without her identification.
I was trying to get them.
Like no type of ID card.
Tootie, take this, Donnie. Take this wallet. Take this wallet.
Hi guys, can you hold it?
Yeah, you hold it.
Hi guys. Today is a weekend.
No, it's not a weekend. It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday, guys. But we're gonna eat right quick. I call you, but I want to try right quick. Hunter.
You got it?
But don't hold it.
Yes. Just don't drop it.
Okay, I want to put it. That's a better another one.
No, you can do another one.
But guys, we're gonna eat. And we
What do you think? You think you look like me or my mom?
Boy bye. Say boy bye.
She feels the same way.
don't say about my daddy.
Okay, well then you're not using my vlog.
It don't matter. I got my own phone with my own camera.
Dad!
I got my own phone with my own camera.
After you make it drop the
I got my own phone with my own camera.
I
don't care. Don't care.
I have my own camera.
I don't care.
I got my own camera.
Look.
Yours not as good as mine. Anyway, we're at this restaurant. We just ordered our food. As you guys heard, I left my ID at home. We're supposed to be going to the base. We kind of can't do that without an ID. So we're gonna have to go close to the base and just park.
I'm just gonna let them things off in the neighborhood.
He ain't purchased no fireworks.
How you know I did?
You did it.
How you know?
Bye bye. CJ got ribs, fries, and cornbread, the usual. Me and Taylor got a chicken sandwich. It's like pulled chicken, barbecue. I bet this is about to be our new spot. It's about to be bomb. I have a feeling it's about to be good. It's gonna be filling, like we're gonna be full, like, oh, just gonna go lay down. What then?
Probably too much food.
He did just be thinking that I can read his thoughts. I can read his thoughts on his face.
But the thing, you don't understand, man. Really enjoy it. I've probably been and have gained 10 pounds.
That's what you're thinking about. Then you shouldn't have got what you got.
I know.
You should have got chicken.
Yeah, but no. It's barbecue day. Yo, is this my phone? Don't cut up on the
Stay getting in trouble. Stay getting in trouble. Is it good, boo? Look at that.
What's up?
Sweet mashed potatoes.
Sweet mashed potatoes. That's different.
Alright, y'all, we just left the restaurant. We're about to go and go to our favorite, one of our favorite stores, Marshall's. So we're going there just to see what they have. and to look around. We haven't been there in a while because I haven't been shopping like that. And yeah, CJ's right here. Taylor's trying to put her seatbelt on. We let her do a little bit of it and then we just check to make sure she got it. She's not gonna let us drive off with her seatbelt not on, so trust me.
My dad can. I need help.
See, she tells us when she needs help. But you got it. Yeah, I'm so full right now. The food was good. It was our first time going there.
Good.
Cheddar said the food was so good. The people were nice.
And people are nice. They take a piece of us. Then I say, lady, is the people. I say, take a picture. Then say, I like your doggy. You see our dog over there. But you see the video. But I'll fly. I call you later. Bye.
Yeah.
All right.